Hi, good morning. Cape Town here, Vanto. I want to share with you 6 areas that are great challenge as people are growing older, and I want us to talk about them and how we can defend ourselves from them. The first one, it is the immune defense. The immune defense, this is my recommendation to you. I recommend Seek 24/7. I also recommend Complete. These are very good products for the immune defense. Please make sure that you have them Seek 24/7 as well as Complete. And then the other area is the area of energy maintenance. In energy maintenance, my recommendation is Complete Phyto. Complete Phyto is good as an immunizer, as an energizer. It is also giving nutrition. This product is good for all people because when we grow older, we become weaker. You know, the energy goes low. So let's go for the Complete. And then the other one, musculoskeletal health. In musculoskeletal health, this is my recommendation, especially for those who are, we've got a lot of old people today who are in the gyms. You need a strong musculoskeletal, and the Resto Life is excellent for musculoskeletal. And the other product that is excellent for musculoskeletal is the Care Leaf and Resto Life. These are beautiful products for musculoskeletal health. And then the other one that we have is the vascular health. Vascular health, you need Choleduz. That means for your heart, for your circulation. Choleduz is excellent for vascular health. And if you take them together like this, together with Resto Life, these are very, very powerful products for vascular health. These are my great recommendations, especially for the old people. And then the other one is cognitive health. When we grow older, we've got problem with everything that has to feed the brain. The road that goes to the brain, it gets blocked. As a result, we have problem with memory, we have problem with seeing, we have problem with things that have to do with the nerves. And this is my recommendation for cognitive health. If you take both Resto Life as well as Choleduz, these are very powerful for cognitive health. It will take you back to the youthful cognitive health. And then the last one that I want to talk about is the metabolic health. When we grow older, we also have a problem with our metabolism. Our metabolism is also affected. Now, with the metabolic health, I suggest that you take this product, which is the Resto Life. That is the product that you must take for metabolic health. So these are the products. This is all you need. These are the few products that you need, as well as that one. God bless you. Have a good day.